Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Following that, choose Language and Input, select Keyboard, and finally, Input. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!